Need your transaction history for taxes, accounting, or personal records? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to export your complete crypto transaction history from Crypto.com in just a few simple steps. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Keeping track of your crypto transactions is crucial for tax purposes and financial management. Crypto.com makes it easy to download your complete transaction history in multiple formats. Let me walk you through the process. First, open your Crypto.com app and navigate to the Accounts tab. Tap on the Transaction History or Statement section. This is usually found under your account overview or in the Settings menu. Select the date range for the transactions you want to export. You can choose specific months, quarters, or custom date ranges depending on your needs. For tax purposes, typically you'll want to export data for the entire tax year. Choose your export format. Crypto.com typically offers CSV or PDF formats. CSV is best for spreadsheet analysis and tax software, while PDF works well for simple record keeping and printing. Review and download your file once it's generated. The app will prepare your transaction history including all buys, sells, transfers, and rewards. This may take a moment if you have extensive transaction history. A crucial pro tip: export your transaction history regularly rather than waiting until tax season. Consider setting quarterly reminders to download your records while transactions are still fresh. Also, use the search and filter functions in your spreadsheet software to categorize different types of transactions for easier tax preparation. And just like that, you've successfully exported your complete crypto transaction history. Having organized records makes tax time much simpler and helps you stay on top of your crypto portfolio management. If this guide helps you maintain better financial records, please give it a like. How often do you export your crypto transaction history? Share your record-keeping habits in the comments below. To explore more advanced crypto management, subscribe for our next video on how to link your Crypto.com app to a Ledger wallet. Thanks for watching.